Monopoly Discover Level 1 How to Play. The object of the game is to have the most properties once every property has been purchased. Lay out the purple Level 1 side of the board and give each player 10 money. The rest of the money is the bank. Pick one player to be the banker who manages the bank's money, but they must keep it separate from their own. Each player picks a token and places it on go, then takes the matching sold signs and flips them purple side up. Shuffle the purple chance deck and place it on its matching spot on the board. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll the die, then move that many spaces clockwise around the board. If you land on an unowned property, pay the price indicated on the board, then place your sold sign on the space. If you land on a property that another player owns, as indicated by their sold sign, then you must pay them the amount indicated on the board. If they own both properties in the same color, then you pay them twice the amount. If you don't have enough money to pay someone, then say something nice to them instead. If you land on chance, then draw the top card of the chance deck and do what it says. Then put it at the bottom of the deck. When you land on or pass go, collect 2 money from the bank. If you land on go to timeout, then you must move to the in timeout space, and you do not collect 2 money for passing go. On your next turn, you need to pay 1 money to be released from timeout. If you don't have enough money, then sing a song instead. If you land on the in timeout space at another time, then you aren't in timeout, but instead just visiting and nothing happens. Free parking doesn't do anything either. When the last property is purchased, then the game ends and the player with the most properties wins. If it is a tie, then the tied player with the most money wins.